updates.
Yes po.
So anyway, this Bagsakan Center was the initiative of Vice Governor Matthew. Governor Paylay, medyo 2 years in the making dito yung building. It was funded by the Department of Agriculture. At finally, natapos na po natin. So, ang ginagawa ng move ng city government of Batak is to build road networks to the Bagsakan Center. Binili na ng City of Batak yung buong 10 hectares dun sa likod ng public market natin. So, meron tayong 30 million na naka-allot for the improvement of the Bagsakan Center. So, hopefully, magawa natin siya hopefully before the year ends or first quarter po ng 2026.
From LGU yung fund?
Yes. So yung mga network ng road kasi doon, kasi may marami pang mga future developments. Marami pang plano sa area na yun, especially for the farmers. So ide-develop natin yung area na yun. Commercial siya.
So, anong to itikas lang kung importansya na dito, kan tulong na kadigitiman nalon kan nagitaglaklako.
Siyempre, Bagsakan centers are for the farmers talaga. Yun yung in-emphasize ni Vice Governor Matthew Marcos na dapat ito, meron talaga siyang allotted na space na libre para sa mga farmers natin. So, that was the meeting with Vice Governor Matthew Marcos na talagang ang tinitignan natin is how this Bagsakan Center would help the farmers and syempre traders din.